Hey everyone, it's me Damien and welcome to the first episode of this series I'm gonna start on my channel. It's basically gonna be a series where I'm just gonna provide quick, frequent updates on the Mustang while working on it with my dad, restoring it. Actually, at the time while filming this right now, I don't actually exactly know what I'm gonna call the series, but I will eventually come up with a name. I have a few ideas in mind. But yeah, actually, when this video is up, just suggest in the comments. I'll for sure look at the suggestions and maybe change the name if from the one I initially come up with, but we'll see. So what's been up with the car ever since we got it? It's just been a lot of cleaning. The interior and the engine bay is yet to follow with the cleaning. I will actually now show you the progress we've made with cleaning the interior and just also show the engine bay and so on. Alright, what you can see currently is the majority of the interior has been stripped down because we need to really clean it well. I mean, originally all the interior was covered in dust because I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the video where I introduced the car. It was actually sitting for 4 years, and during that time, those 4 years, the previous owner actually left the car with the windows open because like he said, he used to travel a lot, and so he didn't really drive the car all too much. He took the battery out. It was during the summer, so he used to drive it with the windows open, and then he never really returned the battery to the car and sort of just left it like that. So that was just completely covered in dust. But I mean, although yes, it's been a lot of cleaning, the interior is actually in very good shape. I mean, just by going over it 2 or 3 times, once just with a rag with water and then with this kind of interior spray I used, the interior is already looking like new, so I cannot complain. Yeah, everything is looking good, just making good progress, and yeah, we've pretty much stripped everything down, including the back seats. As you can see, yesterday we did that. So we're gonna rent this sort of carpet cleaner, and just it's like a special type of carpet cleaner you get from Lowe's. So yeah, then clean the carpet, make it look as good, almost as good as new. And yeah, and then start cleaning the engine bay also. So yeah, this is what the current state of the interior looks like of the car, and I will now also show you the engine bay of the car. Okay, what we can see right here is the current state of the engine bay. As you can see, we already have the brand new battery in it. We cleaned this area here. We just installed it so we can actually remove the driver's seat because it's automatic with the button under the seat. So yeah, that's why we just installed the battery. Probably gonna take it out in a bit, but yeah, anyway. Also the new belt arrived. This one it's actually completely cracked. This pulley is rusted out, the new one arrived. So yeah, pretty much we finished cleaning the interior almost fully now. We're almost there, and next we'll start just cleaning the engine bay, and yeah, start to work on the engine and finally get the car started. So we're doing the best we can. I mean, my dad's busy with work during the week. I'm also busy studying for my classes for university, but overall we're making good steady progress on the car, and the aim is to get it back on the road by the end of the year. But yeah, so yeah, I guess this was just a quick update for this episode. Hopefully, actually what I'm gonna do, I actually already took pictures of the engine bay and the interior when it was before we started cleaning it. So most likely in the next episode I will show photos of the before and after. So before it was all covered in dust and how it's gonna look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and just a quick reminder, make sure to follow the Instagram for the car, 95 Mustang 5.0, because I've been posting consistent updates of the car ever since we got it. So yeah, make sure to follow that if you're interested, obviously, and yeah, see you in the next episode.